So last time we talked about how to do stuff like that and that. And lesson 2, we learned how to do stuff like, well, bounce it on our stick. For lesson 3, we're gonna do shooting. So for shooting, you wanna make a stance where you're comfortable in. Try to do a hockey stance, and bend your knees. It's gonna be relaxed. Try to start on the heel of your stick like this, and make your way to the top. So, but you start back here. All you pressure on your back leg. You transition your weight from back to forward, and you might want to take a little step like that, and shoot like that. And then, so this is an example. It's on the heel of your stick. You're like here, and you put it like this. So you come here, you bring it back, start on the heel, you shoot. Okay? It can help your accuracy when you aim at targets, like I just did. I have targets on my net, but you might not have targets on yours. What you can do is you can keep on practicing, and you can pick spots. You can call your spots like this. I'm gonna go top left. Sometimes you don't get it like that, but you can keep on trying. You miss sometimes. You can get, and don't forget, it doesn't matter how high you go, because if you just shoot it like this, pretty high, but like high but wobbly, or it doesn't matter it doesn't matter if you shoot it low, as long as you shoot it hard, like that, slow and hard, and always shoot where the goalie isn't. So say the goalie's on that side, I want to shoot over there, okay? And make sure when you shoot, the puck's not wobbly, like it's all shaking. It's going like just straight like that. Okay? So like you come here, and there's different kinds of shots you can do. You can do a wrist shot. Well, that's a snapshot. But you can do a wrist shot. And you can do a slap shot. You can do a backhand. For a backhand, it's kind of like a wrist shot. Start on your heel. Make your way to the top. Come like this. Go like that. Whoa. That's very good. Well, I do is kind of like a snapshot backhand.
Are you touching his butt?
Back here. And I go like that. and what can help is you do a move, and then you shoot. Like say it's here. I play toe drag. And then I shoot. It still doesn't matter if you miss. But you can also practice shooting like this. And thank you, that's all. This is how Liam's School of Hockey Tricks, lesson 3. If you want to watch more videos on me, look at lesson 1 and lesson 2. Liam's School of Hockey Tricks. You can learn how to do. Well, we're going to be working on throwing it up and catching it. We're going to work on twisting it. And we're also going to be working on looking back and passing. As we just did, we did